Hello everyone, in this tutorial you will learn how to make black lines borders in Google Sheets. This is useful for organized data, creating tables and making your spreadsheet look clean and professional. So let's get started. See this? First of all select your table or data, then click the border icon, use outer border, only outer border, and again select your data border. Again choose color, red color, black color, border size. Okay. Hope this tutorial help you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.